To enable or disable Overcharge Protection on the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, first we need to go to Settings. Over here in the Settings, we want to scroll down in order to find the battery settings in here. And then in the battery settings, we should be able to find the battery protection option. So in here we can turn this off or turn it on quite easily. You can also set Smart Schedule, which lets AI learn your charging pattern and optimize battery health. Charging stops at 80% and resumes an hour before you unplug. Works best if you have a consistent charging schedule. You can also, of course, see if AI is still trying to figure out how you charge your phone. This might take some time before the phone is going to be confident on when it should allow the phone to itself to charge from 80 to 100%. And of course there is also the manual schedule which limits charging to 80%, and if you go to settings, then you can set this limit to be active all the time, or you can set this limit for specific hours, like for example for the night. So whenever you charge your phone at night, it's going to be limited to 80%. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.